Good morning. It's day 14 of my GDT hike, and I just left Waterfalls Campground, and so about an hour ago. It was pissing all night, so the gear is a bit wet. Fly. Ground sheet's not too bad. Tent's not too bad. But I'll have to dry it out somewhere today. Recap of yesterday. Went about 31 kilometers from Boulder to Waterfalls. Went by 4 Point Campground. Went up the 4 Point Creek gully there, which turned into, when you go over the divide, it turns into Jonah Creek, goes down the other side. Went up Jonah Pass, then on to the shoulder. The shoulder is basically a 10, 15 foot wide where you go down on the other side. So you can actually see both sides of the pass there. These passes in the GDT they're not like, say, down the Sierra where you can look both ways. They're more rolling and flat on top, and you never know when you get to the actual top. Ascended about 800 meters yesterday, descended 900, so it was a pretty cruisy day. It was fairly laid back. I took my time because I knew the next 3 days here might be a little tougher, and rolled into camp about, I think, 4:30. I've got 4 days remaining, which is good and bad, but it'll be nice to be on my own. It's funny. It's kind of my preference. A few days with guys are great, but when it gets down to it, I kind of like to chill out here on my own and think and, I don't know, do my own thing, have my own agenda. Anyway, looks like it's going to be, the smoke's a little bit better today. Yesterday was bad. Today, so the choice is go over 6 passes, which I don't think I'm going to do. It's you got to overnight up there. The weather looks a little iffy, could be smoky. It's not super clear, so, you know, that area isn't going away. I'm going to come back and do it on a nice day. And hopefully I can convince my 2 sons to come with me, because it's a great part of the province. And so I've got about, I think it's about 28 kilometers again today. Same kind of descent kind of situation, 800, 900 meters. And then we'll take it from there. So enough of this blabbing. I got to get to hiking. Okay. Of the day. Coming up to the junction where you can take the 6 passes hike or alternate. Actually, most people, I think they want to turn it into part of the GDT, or you go up the old Moline North route, which I'm going to take The issue that I have with 6 passes is you got to do 3 passes a day. So the overnight up there, I just don't think I have the nutrition on board to do it. If I was 20 years younger, I think I'd probably go for it, but I don't know. You gotta know when to fold your cards, I guess. But I'd love to come back and do it, and hopefully with my 2 sons. That would be just perfect. Man, I want you to listen to this. Exactly. Nothing. You're out here in the middle of, this is the true wilderness. You feel very small when you're out here amongst these mountains, and nobody else out here. I mean, there's people probably miles behind or miles ahead, but when you're out here, you feel like you're on your lonesome. It's rather, it's neat. I love it. Maybe strange for some, but this is great. Okay, I just hit Mary Schaffer Campsite on the Moline North. That's not bad. You know, it's I didn't think there was going to be that much here, but there's more than yeah, it's a pretty nice camp. It's funny out here that yeah, I'm pretty well soaked and whatever, but I'm loving it. I could give a shit about the wet. I know that coming into camp, I'll have dry clothes, food. The only concern is my fly, I guess, is soaked up and down and sideways. So I'm gonna have to try to do something about that. Hopefully the sun will come out and I can spread it somewhere to get it dried off. But other than that, it's all good. And sounds like I got another 9 kilometers to Schaffer, and we'll see after that. Okay, bye. Well, you know, Mr. Grizz is around. Here's some of their digging roots for whatever. Yeah. Hey, hey, hey.